16th kanji, number 16th. The meaning of that kanji is friend. So a stroke of this: first horizontal one, second inclined one, or sometimes first inclined one, second horizontal one, third this, and then first, second, third, and last one. So this is the stroke again, like that, and sometimes this is a stroke, sometimes this is a stroke. So here is sound, two sound here, tomo and you, tomo and you. So here a word, sound, and meaning. We will know by using this kanji: word, sound, and meaning. So here tomo, the sound is this kanji tomo. So this kanji is dachi. So tomodachi. The meaning of this kanji is friend. Tomodachi. So first, second, third, and last one. So tomo dachi here, dachi. So first horizontal, second vertical, third again big horizontal. These two inclined, later a smaller one, and vertical one, a smaller, and middle one. So this, and finally inclined, and here like that. And finally here. So this called tomodachi, a friend, tomodachi, a friend, and here yojo. So here again you, vertical one, second this one, yujo. This sound is yujo. Again this, yujo মানে friendship. Yujo, মানে friendship. First one is tomodachi, friend. Yujo